Hey there, Honeyera sent me this big pocket soft toy storage hanger in exchange for my honest review. I'm going to install it here and let's see how easy this is. I've got my hooks that it comes with. I've already put in the rods that stick in here on the back to keep this from sagging and probably falling out as soon as it holds a few stuffies. Let's put it up in my son's room and see how it goes. Come see. The door shuts just fine. Now we're gonna load it up. Ta-da! What do we think? That's a lot of stuffies. And that's a lot of freed up space on my son's shelves and floor. Heck yeah, this thing is awesome. There's even so much more room in here, honestly. I could fit a ton more. This bottom pocket is massive. I had to do a little rearranging as I was getting stuff put in just to figure out how I wanted to situate it all with the biggest pocket on the bottom, but man, this is a huge improvement to my son's room. Love it.